Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can disable your Onedrive on your PC. And it's actually quite quite simple task to do. So what is OneDrive? So OneDrive is like cloud for Windows. It is where you save your files to the cloud. And if you don't want that, then you can always disable it. What you do is head over to your taskbar and find the OneDrive icon, right click on it, and it should give you this one. You head over to settings, and then here you'll find your OneDrive settings. What you need to do now is just click on unlink this PC, and as you can see, your OneDrive files will stop syncing and locally available files will remain on this device, while only online files will be removed. But I don't want to do that. I don't want to remove my files. So if this is what you want, just click on unlink account and it should automatically do what you want for you. That's it. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.